education is not only about book or exam. It is all
Mhm.
about personal growth, social progress, and national development.
Well, I think education is important because it teaches you about a lot of things. It makes you, teaches you manners. Most of all, it teaches you how to be cordial with people. And it helps you break stereotypes.
Important thing, you can teach your own child
Absolutely.
you, with their homework, with their study. You will not feel helpless. You will feel proud. We can read the electricity bill. We can read the water
Mhm.
bill. We can read the no need to no need to depend on others.
Hmm.
We
Hmm.
know how to take the right dose.
Am I audible and visible to you?
Yeah, yeah. Am I
Okay, you can.
audible and visible?
Yes. Yes, you are perfectly audible and visible. So, how are you?
I'm good. I'm good. Thank you for asking. How are
Okay,
you?
and how have you? So, I'm also good. Thank you so much for asking. How have you been? It has been a long time since I saw you last.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
how have you been?
I have been good as of now.
Okay, that's amazing. And how was your Diwali and how has life been in general?
My Diwali was pretty well because I didn't do so much decorations. I just blow candles. I blow candles. I put candles all over my house. Then we do worship. Then we eat
Mhm.
yummy food. Only these things.
Okay, so
How
what
about
did you?
how about
Yeah.
you? How about you?
Oh, I went to my home, so that was
Okay.
something. We put lights at our home and we cleaned it, we worshipped, yes, we ate good food, and yeah, that's pretty much what we did. Ate some sweets also. Yeah.
Okay, we even get lights of our
I
God.
can see one behind you.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, that's amazing. So, what did you eat? You said you ate yummy food. So, do you remember something that you ate?
Yep, yep, yeah. I ate puri,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
chola,
Okay.
and cottage cheese.
Okay. And you like eating all of these things?
Yes, but I like cottage cheese
Mm-hmm.
the most.
You like it most. That's amazing. Did you eat any sweets?
No,
Nothing. Okay, that's all right. So, what things did you do yourself on Diwali? And what things did you help
let
your
let
mother to do?
let's go through the topic. I have to think what is the topic.
Okay, that's amazing. So, the topic is how cruel is very cruel. Is that all right?
No, no, no.
So what is the topic that you are able to see?
I am able to see why education is important.
Okay. So that is not what I am able to see. So let me just quickly put a message to the team so that they can sort it out. Just give me 1 second. Okay, they'll reply whenever they reply. But can you tell me, do you like studying?
Yes, I do. Let's go through the topic. Okay, what do you, and after that, if we have time, we can play a role play game.
Okay, amazing. Yeah, so you can start with the topic because it's not visible to me, so I don't know anything about it, like what is the content or anything like that. So
You
yeah,
tell tell you tell me what is your opinion on your
what is my opinion about
why education is important.
why education is important? Okay. Um, well, I think education is important because it teaches you about a lot of things. It makes you, teaches you manners. Most of all, it teaches you how to be cordial with people. And it helps you break stereotypes. You know how when we are, I don't know how much of it do you think, I mean, if you understand, but when earlier, when so earlier the girls were not allowed to study. And it was some of the women who studied who realized the importance of girls studying, and they brought about a revolution which helped other women to get education. So it is
Ah,
important to break these stereotypes, to break these wrong things that you have been thinking always, and to start thinking in the correct way. So
okay.
that's why I think, yeah.
My opinion is education is not only about book or exam. It is all
Mhm.
about personal growth, social progress, and national development.
Okay. That's
and
amazing.
it helps us to understand the world and make the right choice.
Hmm.
And it also helps us to it, it teaches us think before we act.
Hmm. Absolutely.
And we can read the electricity bill, we can read the water bill, we can read the no need to no need to depend on others.
Hmm.
We
Hmm.
know how to take the right dose.
Hmm. Yeah, that's absolutely true. You do need education for all of these things.
Yeah,
That's absolutely true.
even even electricity bill, water bill, even we would know how to read instructions.
Hmm.
And the important thing, you can teach your own child.
Absolutely.
You, with their homework, with their study, you will not feel helpless. You will feel proud. If you have, if you are not, if you edu- you don't study like you they didn't get education, then someone can take advantage of you.
Yeah, that's absolutely true.
And last one, it also teaches us how to live with other community,
Hmm.
no matter what community they belong to.
Hmm.
And,
That's absolutely true.
and
That's amazing. That's a very well put sort of answer. That's very nice. So you said if
that's
you're not
it.
well educated, someone can take advantage of you. Can you
Yeah.
think of some ways in which people can take advantage of you if you are not educated?
No, I all nobody can take advantage of us. And everybody has education. Nobody is there if we don't have education, like you and me and my mom or my dad.
Absolutely. Yeah, that's absolutely true. We are all educated. But do you think, what if we were not educated? How do you think people could fool us? I mean, of course, they can make us sign anything because we won't be able
Wrong
to.
paper, wrong paper.
Yeah. Or they can, if we give them money and we have to take some money back, we have to take the change back, they can give us wrong amount of the change.
Like when we give them money, that
Hmm.
they were 1,000 rupees, but they
Hmm.
only tell there's only worth 100 rupees.
Hmm. Hmm. Yeah,
Yeah, they
absolutely.
will
So they can
more
fool
money
us.
from you. They will take more money from you, and they will say 100 again, and but
Hmm.
it was again 1,000 rupees.
Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, absolutely
They
true.
will be dishonest.
Yeah, they will be dishonest. That's absolutely true. Are there some other ways in which you think people can land in trouble if they're not
No, no,
educated?
no.
No, that's
Let's
it.
role play game.
Okay. What would
Because
you like? Sorry?
you are the shopkeeper, and I am the customer. You are the ice cream shopkeeper.
Okay. Okay. Uh, okay.
Hi, can I have some ice cream?
Hi, welcome to our shop, ma'am. What kind of ice cream would you like to have?
A strawberry flavor with chocolate syrup, please.
Oh, that's nice. We have something in the brick, we have something in the cup as well, and then we have some cones as well. What would you like to have?
A cone one, please.
A cone one. Okay. So we have it for 10 rupees, 25 rupees, and 40 rupees. Which one would you like to have?
A 10 rupees.
A 10 rupees one. Okay. So here's the ice cream for you. Okay. Would you like to have it here? I can also give it to you on the plate in a bowl, or I can also pack it for you. So how would you like to have it?
In the plate.
In the plate you'd like to have it. Okay. So you can please have a seat. I'll bring some for you in the plate. Okay. Let's
Yeah.
assume I brought it. So how are you finding it? Do you find it good, or is there something we can do to make it
First,
better?
when I come to my first time I come to your shop, I love that ice cream, but this one look a little bit expensive and little bit, what do you say? Little bit not good.
Oh, so this one, when did you come to our shop the first time?
1 month ago.
1 month ago. Okay, let me check with the chef and let me get back to you to see if he has done any changes. Okay, I came back from the chef and he says it is the exact same thing. So, what is it that you're finding off about it, ma'am?
What? Why is this so? Uh, why this so? is so expensive.
Why? Oh, actually, the prices for everything have increased, so we had to increase the price a little bit. We're so sorry about it, but we're also trying to make sure that we maintain the quality without it being very expensive. Okay, would you like to have something else?
No,
Anything to
let's
drink
do
with it?
nothing.
Any water?
No, no,
Nothing.
no. Now the game is over.
Okay. Oh, so what is it that you would like to do next?
Let's have general conversation now.
Okay, you want to have general conversation? Okay.
Yeah.
So, yeah, can you tell me a little bit about how schools are going or how things are going with you?
My exam are finished. My final exams are finished. So
Wow,
I'm gonna go to my country now.
that's amazing. So, how did the exams go?
Uh, it was good, extremely well.
That's nice. Were you stressed during the exams?
Um, a little.
A little bit. Okay. And when did they end?
It and on two 2 days ago.
So, it ended 2 days ago. Okay. So, now which class were you studying in right
And
now?
I was studying in KG 3, and I'm gonna go in class 1.
That's amazing. Are you excited?
Yeah, very excited.
Okay. And are you nervous about the results?
I am, but I don't think so. It's gonna be. I'm scared.
Okay. So, when will you be coming to India?
I'm gonna come in India. I'm,
You're gonna,
I'm gonna stay in India only for 1 5 days.
okay, got it. Are you excited
One
about that?
1 5 15.
Okay, got it. Are you excited about that?
Yeah, yeah. I will play with my siblings. I have lots of chocolate
You
for
have a
them.
lot of chocolate. That's amazing. And do you plan to go anywhere? Do you plan to visit any place? Go on a
Yeah.
trip or something?
No, 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 no. I have stay. We can go back to Bangalore.
Okay, got it. Okay, that sounds amazing. So, are you done with the packing and everything?
Yeah, I am done, but my mom and dad is not done.
So, you packed for yourself
Yeah,
on your own?
yeah.
Wow, that's amazing. I never packed on my own when I was that young. So, what all did you pack?
I packed my clothes and my toys. Of course,
That's that's amazing. So, what sort of toys did you pack?
I just packed two toy watches. One is beard and one is Mickey Mouse.
Hmm.
These two.
And do you play with them or do you cuddle them while you sleep?
I play with them and cuddle them. And last one, I'm gonna
Mhm.
take in my hand is another beard. I have two beards. One is small and one is big. So I'm
Okay,
gonna hold in my hand big one.
okay, that's amazing. Okay, and do you like flying in the flights? Do you like going to the airport?
I like it. I like the
Okay,
most. I like the most.
that's that's nice. So, do you prefer to sit on the window seat or in the
Window
middle?
seat. Window seat.
And do you look out of the window?
Huh?
Do you look out of the window
Of course, yes, I do look out the window.
all the time?
But my daddy booked the window seat for him.
Or you can always ask him to give it to you.
But I asked him, but he didn't listen to me.
That's all right. I'm sure you can just
I had the middle seat, and my mom had the corner
the
first.
aisle seat. Okay. I'm sure you can always exchange the seats with him.
But I get lots of plans, but it didn't work.
That's all right. I'm sure everything will work out fine in the end. Okay, so how long is the flight for? Do you think you'll be able to sit calmly in the plane
Yeah,
for that?
I had to plan to do that to my daddy. First, I'm telling my mom's plan. My
Mm-hmm.
mom's plan is if my daddy is walking with a suitcase, I'll just run and my mom will tell the number of the seat.
Yeah,
And my
that's
plan is when he's walking to the when I will sit on my place, and when he go to the washroom, I will go to his seat.
yeah, even that's a good plan. But what if he never goes to the washroom? Then what
He
will you do?
always he always to wash him.
Yeah, that he always does. You know your daddy well, so yeah,
Yeah,
that's also a good plan. Actually, that's nice. So, what all do you see when you look out of the window? Do you see
but I
clouds?
just want to, but I want to sit in the middle now.
You want to sit in the middle seat? You want to see what it feels
Experience.
like.
Yeah, yeah,
That's very important. You should have experience of everything. So yeah, you can sit in the middle seat till your dad goes to the toilet, and then you can exchange. So you'll have the experience of middle seat, and then you can go to your favorite window seat
yeah,
as well.
yeah.
That's a good plan. But then what if you need to use the toilet, and then when you'll go, your dad can switch back the seat?
First rack.
Yeah, he can take his window seat back, and then you'll have to
No,
sit in the middle
my
seat.
mother will take the middle seat.
Okay, yeah, that's a good plan. Then he'll have to sit in the corner. Yeah, that's nice. Sounds good. Okay, that's amazing. So, do you have any special things that you'd like to eat when you come to India as well?
Chocolate.
But you can eat chocolate there also. Do you want to eat something specific that you can find in India only?
Sweet too. That's why I'm telling chocolate.
You have sweet tooth. That's amazing. Okay. What else? We do have a lot of good sweets here. I'm sure you'd love some of them if you eat them.
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Okay, that's nice. Okay. What about some other sorts of sweets?
Dessert.
You want to eat some desserts, yeah. That's nice. That sounds good. So you can try a lot of different kinds of sweets when
I
you
like
come.
cakes. I like cakes.
Yeah, that's even I love cakes and pastries. So
I
what
like
flavor?
I
Hmm.
like cake and cupcake.
Okay, I like the pastries. What
But
flavor of cake do you like?
I don't like to eat them. I like to decorate them.
So you decorate cakes. Okay. So why don't you like to eat them? Even they are sweet.
Yeah, but I like to eat them. But I like decorate them the most.
Okay. Has it ever happened that you decorated a cake so well that you then did not want to just cut it and eat it?
Yeah, I made a cake, but it didn't go right.
Oh,
Mm,
that's
then I learned from my mom. Then I know how to do it now. But I will not. First time I do small one. That's why I do. When I will do bigger one, that's I already think how to make cake. My
that's
favorite
nice.
color. My favorite color, purple and pink. I will use on the
Okay,
top.
that's amazing. Wow, that's a nice combination actually. That's amazing. You're quite young right now. I'm sure you'll figure out how to do it very well till the time you grow up. That's
Thank
really
you.
nice.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, so we've just come to the end of the session here. It was lovely talking to you again.
Okay.
Just pay some attention to the past tense. And, when you're talking about something that has already happened, you do it in the past tense, just pay some attention to that. And
Okay.
that's it. And enjoy your trip to home and have lots of good food and have a very safe journey. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.